Welcome. In this breakdown, you'll learn how to solve this SAT math problem and others like it. So grab a pencil, paper, and let's figure out this problem together. In the equation above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken, respectively, X weeks after July 1st during last summer. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? Now that we've read the problem, let's make note of the key information. B and C represent the price of beef and chicken. B represents the price of beef, while C represents the price of chicken. From there, X equals the number of weeks after July 1st. Let's figure out what we need to do. The last sentence reveals what they really want us to do, and that's set the price of beef equal to the price of chicken. Let's go ahead and bring in the full equations. Now that we've set the prices equal to each other, we can see that we're missing key information on both sides, X. So this is our game plan. We need to solve for X and then plug it into either B or C, and the result will be the price when they are equal. Since we have X's on both sides of the equation, let's move all of the X's to the side with the largest number in front of X. That way we don't end up with a negative number when we combine them. So let's subtract 0.25x from both sides. That's going to leave us with 2.35 equals 1.75 plus 0.15x. From there, let's further isolate x by subtracting 1.75 from both sides. That's going to leave us with 0.60 equaling 0.15x. Since 0.15 is multiplying x, we will get x by itself by dividing 0.15 on both sides. Since there's a decimal here, we will need to move the decimal point over until this is a whole number. Once it's a whole number, we will move the decimal point for the number being divided. And that leaves us with x equaling 4. Now that we have x, let's plug it into B or C to find the price. We have two equations to choose from. B or C, which one would be easiest to simplify if we change x into 4? I gotta say B would be the easiest, since 0.25 is basically a quarter, and 4 quarters equals $1. Cha-ching! So let's replace x with 4 inside of B. First, 4 times 0.25 equals 1, giving us B equaling 2.35 plus 1. From there, let's combine 2.35 and 1, and that's going to leave us with B equaling 3.35. So the price of beef, when it was equal to the price of chicken, was 3.35. Hold up. Let's check our answer by plugging in 4 into C. If we're correct, it should end up equaling 3.35 as well. So we have 0.40 times 4, which equals 1.60. From there, let's go ahead and combine 1.75 and 1.60, and that leaves us with C equaling 3.35.
Nice!
The prices match, so our answer is correct. And that's it. Great job putting the work in. Now that you know how to solve today's problem, try your new skills on this one. I've left the answer in the description below. Like this video to let me know that I helped you out, and keep prepping for your SAT with the rest of my breakdowns. Later.